Kini kikor komputer, kiba internet bador badar. Ni di hajan jong pi, hang ne hadukan jongi. Han Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, haka kamera kaba shispa iway. Refurbished laptop but desktop. Phun hau number. Pra iway layar not sau pra san sau. Lane pra lay nyo ar nyo sau ar riu nyo. Hadin ka jing penpena jong ke embos Iaka result HSS LC lane ke kelas 12 jong ki lightly judging pule ki bakenthop Iaka science ka commerce bat ka arts ki samla pule ki balala ban le bha hak por examen ki la yo ban khe yo so jong jing tristam nalor ki wei ki samla pule ki balawan sakmat na ki school ba pher jong jela ka samla Nelly Mary Khymdeit na ka school St Paul's Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kabadi na Shillong Saidan kala yo ban rong hak thup jong ka top 10 lani ki shpongot ki bon sakmat bat na pedeng ki ti shpongot kayo benrung hak kerdan ke baar da gejing kemen bar gejing sungom sorong halor gejing la jong ti samla pule na ke school ka sister Angelina CH Marak kabadi headmistress jong ke St Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kalapan pau ya gejing sukmen halor ke gejing job jong ke school kala itu ru ban Naduh isnem ki bakam menswa ka de ke khana ke batristom bat ke khana ke bastan bat kalala ban petnisya ke perthai ya ke gejing tristom jong ka menta ke snem namar kalayo benrung hak thup jong ki shiphongut ki bapas bha bat ki bawan hakman habayo banikran bat ka samla Nelly Mary Khymdeit kalai thu ba ha ki arbanai haswa ka por examen kala pen khre bha bat penut bet ye ka por ban pulekot bat kane kamsyam la sep bat kalayo shisha ya ka ka bak angnot shushu kolong ro bakadoni ke jing angnot ban sam lem shikwe pat ye kane jing start ka bakadon onda ha bakala pendep ye ke jing pule jongka namar kadon ye gejing angnut ban hikai bat ban badru ye ka kerdan kum ke profesor hagi college
shop aku aban ai boleh try kan ran ubala iet bet lakar khu yang hadu kat ne hak jing shisha ngaruk ngam klam kmi lenti bakar result jong akan bah hadu kat ne nga expect bangan dan ha top 10 dan ngak expect bangan poi hak second rank te hak poi bang akrek kon ningkong ngam da shim serious mo hadu kata ngam da dan kata ka jing thrang ba ong ba ngan penyo bet hadu top 2 ne top 1 nga ong yela de bang ade bandan ha top 10 dan ngam da dan te kata ka jing thrang ban ong ba hadu banda poi hak ne ka kerdan hadien ka tu ngalapet benya abat ngalapet bah ba kumno hayeng bat school ru kumju kita thrang hadu kata bangan da Wanrah kata ka result ka bah kidan kata ka jing kmi lenti ka bakam shejrong nanga te kumta ngala perkhat ba ngala puson bah lada ngam le bah kan long ka e ban pen smusi hayeng bat school ro kumju te kumta kat dang jan ki singa sedang ban pule kot bah no bat ngam da penlut kaya ka por hang ne hang tai tang sulalat ka por khandiat ngalaya le ban penlut be ha ka kon te kumta ka e ka khubor ka bang aku aban aish ki we ka long nikom nung shop e phiri ban bo ye ka thong lada pi don ka thong phila ben hadian kata rengkat bat ka thong ka jing trash tom ro ka de ban don lada pi trash tom klam pa phila ban khet yo so ubabha ubabang te hadian kata ka consistency ka ba phile ka jo shi ka jo man ka sni phidei ban le ka khandiat mong man ma chisen pule ne last moment pin bam chisen bam andre khandiat man ka sni lada pi pule phila ben wala phimdei khna e ba biang hadu kata ban ong pinong kumno lade makana average students ru haba pidan ka thong ka jing thrang ka jing trash tom but man ka sni to penlut ka por jong phia ka kot phinla be ngam da shimbanta ha ki liang jo ki sports handai nga jo shimbanta ha ki science exhibition ki kan ja essay writing letter writing kung gitu ki ja competition nga shim kene kaya rap shibun e namar kumbangala ong happy menta banga jo shimbanta ha ki science exhibition kadai house nam arajar po arbanga shim ka science exhibition but la job ro ngila poi state level nang tu ngila poi national level habangi poi shite shi gujarat kadan kata ka nile kata ka national level te habangi poi shite ngasdang ban observe ki wiki khana ha state la de hoy nga observe ki dan ka to ka ne ki batrang shisha ya kata ka jing start ki trang shisha ya ka e ka baki kwa bi ban pen urlong te kum tang la pet bahai ki khana shabar kilong ki ba minot bah da compare bat ngi hangne ngi ngim pat long e ngi la de ngi lakam bangi minot ande da compare bat ki shite ngi ngim pat long e te ngala pe yaki ngala yak keren bat ki te kum ta ki ru kila ai advice nga ki ong ngi shande ngi long bet kumne habangi kwa ya ke e wat mut bangin perlut ya ka por jungi ha e ngi kwa bangin yo kata ngi ya kata bet ngi concentrate te kum ta ki ru yang amo ki ong ba piro ngai i pidon hi kata kasap te kumta la da pipwa ban yok he yo so obabang obathiang pide ban le shitom ben pidane ka potential te kumta ki turu kilai encourage nga rengkat bat ki parlo class chunga barabor ki baju don bat nga kilo ong yang bala da pi pule bha phila bi bandon ha ka top 10 kumta ngaru ngala smudan ba kata ka mensim ngala smusngan ka mensim bala dangan le bha ngaru andon be ha ka top 10 kumta ngala shuminot be tang ha ka kot bat kumta meneka result ba bha ngala yo ya menta te nga perkat ben continue bachelor te hadin bachelor ngan pendep bet masters bat PhD kajing trang junga ka di bangan long professor and lecturer ha kanu ka college ngam puak ban hikai kum tang kum high school level hoy kajing sedang kan debit na ka school te handai kajing puak junga ka long bangan long settle bet kum i professor ha ki college ngapa ban hikai college te akaliang joka subject ngam pat thikna hadu ka tamo namar ngadon artli ki subject ki bangas tenat ka we ka di ka English ngala ban le ha ka English literature la ne ka education
in the state that it's not easy, but I could see the hard work, dedication, perseverance, persistence in our duty as students made our school proud. We are proud of you, Nelly. The school will always remember you for your great achievement, outstanding in academic results. The St. Paul's family will once again congratulate you and bless you with many more success and happiness in life. May your dreams, whatever you have, will be always that of happiness, that of success, that of bringing glory to your family, to yourself, and to the school where you study. May we continue to pray that your future will be always bright, will be always blessed one, making us school proud. So thank you so much, dear Nelly, for bringing good results to the school. Out of thousands of students, you made our school proud. You made our school one of the outstanding school in the state as well. So may God bless you. Congratulations to Nelly and to all the family members as well.
Now, this is the second after Silver Shada. This is the second time that Nelly has made us proud again. And you know, right from the time that Silver got that 10th position in the top 10 list, we have already thought that we already have a dream, we already have an aim, and we hope that many students from Bhoi area will look at them as an inspiration, that they are also from a poor family. I'm talking about Silver Star, remembering him again, we cannot forget him. And he worked hard, he really worked hard. He cannot comprehend well in English, but then he worked very hard, and whenever he had doubts, he used to seek for clarification. all the teachers. And Nelly Khymdeit also is one of the students. Yes, she always has the support of the family members. We have Sir Bhoi here, who is the ex-teacher of St. Congratulations, sir. Can you please stand here again? Now, coming from a family who always supported her, and yes, Nelly herself has shown dedication, hard work, consistency, of course. During exams, whenever she has a doubt, she will always consult all the teachers, not only to me as a class teacher, but to all the subject teachers. And congratulations to all the teachers also. We have done well. Congratulations to us. Our hard work paid off. So once again, congratulations. Thank you.
This beautiful, beautiful day. I would like to congratulate my dear sister for this achievement. I would like to congratulate the school, the faculty as a whole, because of this achievement. In fact, I'm not used to cameras, but today I'll get used to it because I'm a proud brother today. I'm a proud elder brother. And it's not just because of me. I'm a proud brother today, not because of me alone or because of my family alone, but because of the collective support that we are gaining from left and right up and down. It is because of the blessings of God that we have got a supportive, encouraging headmistress. We have got understandable parents like teachers that have given the constant effort, constant encouragement to her that she is able to witness this beautiful day. So it's just a piece of request to each and every one of you, my dear students. As you have heard, Ms. Viti was saying that I was the next faculty of Sngewbha High Secondary School. So I need to admit and share a little bit of advice to every one of you that you have got the most amazing headmistress, you have got the most amazing teachers with you. So all you have to do is just be obedient enough to listen to their advices and trust in your hard work. And one day, definitely you will shine. And without losing this moment, I would like to take the opportunity, because every time you have heard people saying, Northeast, Southwest, St. Paul's is the best. But now I stand here and I will say, and I want to take part in this. Let's all say, long live St. Paul's. Long live St. Paul. Long live St. Paul. Long live St. Paul.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong, and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeencollege.edu.in.
Pidon kam projector ban pani film ne pidon kam projector nak banta ki awareness program jongpi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyau lai